Levels of Organization. The story of Lola the Bunny. This is Lola. She is a fluffy, blue Neverland dwarf bunny, one individual organism of the rabbit species. These are Lola's friends and family of the same species. Together, they are a population. These are Lola's friends of different species. Together, they are a community. Lola and her friends live in a field of flowers. Their ecosystem has biotic factors like grass and abiotic factors like rocks. Lola and her friends live in the woodland biome, which is usually warm and sunny. Lola and her friends and everyone and everything on Earth is in Earth's biosphere. We all share one home. Lola is a part of something much greater than herself, just like all of us. Isn't that wonderful? The end.